Hi everybody, and welcome to today's elevaTOURS by DieselDucy unboxing. Today we actually have a very interesting item here. This is all the way from Ukraine. That's right, this package came from Ukraine. So let's see what it is. Hopefully it made it here in one piece, because it came a long way and it took like a month to get here. Where scissors or a knife would come in handy. All right, here we go. We're going to open the box now. I'm seeing this for the first time, as is you guys. This is where keys don't really work. The phone keeps wanting to fall. All right, time to pull these items out. Hopefully the camera's seeing this. Oh, wow. There better be two of them. Paid for two. They are hot because they've been in a hot car. Oh my gosh, this is heavy. We'll set them down. And then we'll take a look at these. Alright guys, keep in mind these came from Ukraine, so let's see what they are. Oh wow, these are nice. Wow. This is cool. Soviet, this is so cool. Huh. Wow, look at this. These are beautiful. These are just beautiful. Wow, they press so well. Let's take a look at this one now. They're green. That one has a little bit of rust on it, but that'll come right off. Wow, look at these. Now this is cool. That one doesn't press as well. I want to open it up. Soviet elevator buttons. All right, so here is the Soviet elevator button. There's the DieselDucy fuel cup. We got the trusty screwdriver in hand. Let's get one more look at that label. All right, so here we are. Now we're gonna open up. We're gonna take it apart. We're gonna see what's inside this. These two screws come off. This is actually just a decorative plate. Under here, this is actually kind of what this looks like a NEMA fixture. Obviously it's not American. It's obviously meant for harsh environments, because in here's the lamp socket. Uses a old flashlight style light bulb. It screws in. I don't know if I'll be able to get it out. Yeah, I can. I could put a 6-volt, yep, this is old screw-in bulb. So yeah, put the light bulb back in. It's got a watertight gasket on it. Now, we're gonna take these 6 screws out. This thing is screwed together really well. Like I said, this is obviously like a weather resistant or meant for use in harsh environments. Oh, this is sealed tight. I don't think this has ever been broken before. Wow. Okay, that was a chore. We got all the screws loosened. This is what's inside. There's your contact block. There's your light socket. Plastic. Wow, I'm surprised plastic was used this long ago. But yeah, this is what's inside this elevator button. So yeah, this is a really cool historic elevator button. I just happen to have another contact block that came with it, so we can get a close look at the contact block. This is what's on it. Maybe this is 1979? Maybe this is from 1979? I just wonder what company manufactured this. If anyone knows anything about this, please leave a comment below. So there you have it, an unboxing and taking apart of my vintage Soviet elevator button off eBay. That being said, hope you enjoyed it, and that'll be it. The video's over, but it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.